Look at you, staring at that big old screen. I bet you like that screen, don't you? You spend all your time and effort on that thing. Yeah, you pick it up, open it. You probably think it's the greatest thing in the world. But you know you're lying to yourself. You know you were wrong about something. Something wrong deep on the inside about that phone. I guarantee you wouldn't be able to look into that camera and tell all these people exactly why you were wrong, could you? I bet you couldn't.
You mean this thing? Oh, yeah. Let me tell you what I was wrong about this thing. Let's talk about it. Working in the warehouse environment, it's dusty. It's dirty in here. Well, that and, I live in the dirt. I live in the desert. It's the dirt. It's just dirt everywhere and dust. So durability is one of the big things I was kind of afraid of at first with this device, but very, very quickly, not too worried about it anymore. It didn't take me very long to get over that fear of the durability in this device anyway. It's so well built. It's hefty. It has a certain heft to it that you can't really describe without having it in your hands. That sounds really awkward. Anyway, the hinge is well built. The inside touch screen, I took off the original screen protector and put a matte screen protector on it. And I never have once felt like the screen was delicate. The little bumpers that exist to keep the screens from touching each other along the edge kind of gave me a little more reassurance about, being along and just give it the old and life goes on. But I can honestly look in the camera and admit I was wrong. I thought I was going to have to be extremely delicate with this device, but I use it just like any other device. I'm just as rough with it. And the Ringke case I've got on there, which I'll put a link to down there, that case has been pretty cool. One kind of weird thing I don't like, and that's just maybe it's just me and my weird textures thing. I don't like talking on the phone per se, where I have to touch the hinge. It gets a little slimy. But that's just fingerprints. But you just wipe it down and you're fine. Life goes on. But the actual overall durability is pretty impressive on a device that is perceived as this delicate. It's pretty cool. The city of mine is coming back to life as more and more people are starting to travel a bit more and getting out and about and getting to use it out in public. I haven't had too many people notice. They just think I'm using a really skinny phone when I'm taking video, but they think I'm just using this really skinny phone as I'm walking around. I had a couple weird looks as I opened it up and did some typing on it and showed somebody something as we're sitting at the restaurant I was at with a couple friends, but otherwise people don't really notice it. They just kind of like, oh, hey, look, it's got a weird-looking skinny phone.
Well, I'm quite impressed. He did it. He told you exactly how I felt about a phone. And you know what? I can't hate him. He did a really good job.
Well, let's just gonna about wrap it up for my first little impressions about, one of the things I got wrong about this beautiful, beautiful device. And, while I find your voice beautiful and gravelly and quite entertaining,
You could hear me the whole time?
yeah, I can hear you. Get out. BionicScoop out. Take care. No, seriously, get out, dude. I don't need you.
Well, son of a...